Turn imagination into income. AI makes it easy. Imagine a world where your creativity can be transformed into a steady stream of income. With the power of AI, this is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible reality. Whether you're an artist, a content creator, or someone with a knack for storytelling, AI tools can help you monetize your skills and passions effortlessly. Want to make money online? The internet is brimming with opportunities, and AI is your key to unlocking them. From e-commerce to digital marketing, AI can streamline your efforts and maximize your profits. Imagine having a personal assistant that works around the clock, analyzing data, optimizing your strategies, and ensuring you stay ahead of the competition. Animated videos are the way to go. They captivate audiences, convey messages effectively, and are incredibly versatile. Whether you're creating content for social media, educational purposes, or marketing campaigns, animated videos can make a significant impact. And the best part, you don't need to be a professional animator to create stunning animations. AI tools make creating these videos easier than ever. With intuitive interfaces and powerful features, you can bring your ideas to life with just a few clicks. These tools handle the technical aspects, allowing you to focus on the creative process. It's like having a team of experts at your disposal, ready to assist you at every step. Imagine turning your ideas into captivating animations that people love to watch. The possibilities are endless, from explainer videos that simplify complex concepts to entertaining shorts that go viral. Your creativity is the only limit, and with AI, you can push those boundaries further than ever before. With AI, you can earn money by sharing your creations with the world. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are perfect for showcasing your animated videos. As your content gains traction, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and even direct sales. The more engaging your videos, the more opportunities you'll have to generate income. It's like having a team of animators at your fingertips, but without the hefty price tag. AI democratizes the animation process, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or experience. You can experiment with different styles, themes, and techniques, all while keeping costs low and quality high. AI does the heavy lifting, so you can focus on the fun part, bringing your vision to life. No more worrying about the technical details or spending hours on tedious tasks. AI handles everything from rendering to editing, giving you more time to refine your ideas and perfect your animations. Whether you dream of creating explainer videos, entertaining shorts, or even music videos, AI empowers you to make it happen. These tools are designed to be user-friendly, so you can start creating right away, even if you're a complete beginner. The learning curve is minimal, and the results are professional grade. AI empowers you to make it happen. So why wait? Dive into the world of AI-powered animation and start turning your creative ideas into a profitable venture today. The future of content creation is here, and it's more exciting than ever. No experience needed. Dive right in. Whether you're a complete novice or someone with a bit of background, this is the perfect place to start your journey into the world of AI animation. Imagine diving into a pool of endless possibilities, where creativity knows no bounds and the only limit is your imagination. Don't worry if you're not a tech whiz or a design guru. You don't need any prior experience to create stunning animated videos with AI. These tools are crafted to be accessible to everyone, regardless of your skill level. Picture yourself effortlessly bringing your ideas to life, with no technical hurdles to slow you down. These tools are designed with beginners in mind, offering a user-friendly experience that guides you every step of the way. The interfaces are clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate through the features. You'll find helpful tips and tutorials that make the learning process smooth and enjoyable. It's as easy as using your favorite social media app. If you can scroll, click, and drag, you can create animations. The simplicity of these tools means you can focus on what really matters, your creativity. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your vision come to life with just a few taps and clicks. With intuitive interfaces and drag-and-drop functionality, you'll be amazed at how simple it is to animate like a pro. The drag-and-drop feature allows you to easily place elements exactly where you want them, giving you full control over your project. No more complicated coding or confusing software, just pure, unadulterated creativity. So ditch the fear of the unknown and embrace the exciting world of AI animation. It's your time to shine. Step into this new realm with confidence, knowing that you have all the tools you need to succeed. Whether you're creating animations for fun, for work, or to share with the world, the possibilities are endless. Dive right in and let your creativity soar. 30 minutes to animated magic. Time is precious, and AI animation tools respect that. You can create amazing videos in just 30 minutes a day. That's less time than it takes to watch your favorite TV show. Imagine, a quick coffee break could be all it takes to produce a captivating intro for your latest YouTube video or a fun animated post for your social media followers. AI streamlines the animation process, so you can achieve professional-looking results without spending hours on end. From screenshot to script, your AI shortcut. Ever stumbled upon an animation style you absolutely loved? Now you can easily replicate it. Simply take a screenshot and let ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool, help you generate the perfect prompts to recreate that style. These prompts act as instructions for your AI animation software, guiding it to produce visuals that match your desired aesthetic. It's like having a personal art director at your beck and call. Section 5. Watch your views. Soar with AI-powered visuals. Eye-catching visuals are key to captivating your audience and growing your online presence. AI animation tools empower you to create stunning, professional-quality animations that will leave your viewers wanting more. Imagine your YouTube channel exploding with subscribers, your social media feeds buzzing with engagement, and your website traffic skyrocketing. All thanks to the captivating power of AI-generated animations. Section 6. Unlock the power of Meta. It's free. Ready to dive into the world of AI animation? Look no further than Meta, an incredible and completely free tool that puts the power of animation at your fingertips. That's right. You can access this cutting-edge technology without spending a dime. Meta opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to create stunning animations, generate captivating images, and even bring your wildest imagination to life in video form. Section 7. Step into the world of Meta. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Getting started with Meta is a breeze. Simply head over to their website and sign up for a free account. No hidden fees, no credit card required. Just pure creative freedom waiting for you. Once you've created your account, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface that makes navigating the platform a breeze. Meta believes that everyone should have access to powerful animation tools, and their straightforward sign-up process reflects that commitment. Section 8. From static images to stunning animation. Meta's Animate feature is where the magic truly happens. This incredible tool allows you to transform static images into dynamic animations with just a few clicks. Upload your image, choose your animation style, and watch as Meta brings your vision to life. Imagine taking a simple drawing you created and transforming it into a living, breathing animation. Or, picture yourself adding subtle movements to a still photograph, giving it a captivating and professional edge. Section 9. Your free pass to unlimited creativity. One of the most remarkable aspects of Meta is its commitment to providing free and unlimited access to its powerful animation tools. Imagine having a treasure trove of creative resources at your fingertips, ready to be explored and utilized without any cost. This is not just a dream, but a reality with Meta. You can create to your heart's content, experimenting with different styles, generating countless images, and bringing your wildest ideas to life. Whether you're a seasoned animator or just starting out, Meta's tools are designed to cater to all skill levels, making the creative process both fun and accessible, and animating until your creative spirit is satisfied. The platform encourages you to push the boundaries of your imagination, offering a playground where your creativity can flourish without any constraints. Meta believes that everyone should have the opportunity to explore their creative potential without limitations. This inclusive approach ensures that no matter who you are or where you come from, you have the chance to express yourself through the art of animation. That's why they offer unlimited usage, allowing you to dive deep into your projects and refine your skills over time. There's no need to worry about running out of resources or hitting a usage cap, ensuring that you can fully immerse yourself in the world of AI animation without any restrictions holding you back. With Meta, the only limit is your imagination, so go ahead, unleash your creativity and see where it takes you.